Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change language NVIDIA Control Panel 2025. Open the NVIDIA Control Panel to see the current language. Now access the registry editor using regedit. Click Yes to authorize if prompted. You must go to the path you see on the screen. In some free space, right-click to choose New and then the value of D word 32 bits. You will assign the name User-Defined Locale. Double-click on this value and in the field Value Information, enter the code according to the desired language. This value can be found in the link that we leave you. Click on OK and close the editor. As a result, when you open the NVIDIA Control Panel, you will see the new language. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.